You're welcome to FXPG Global Limited. Today is 18th of October 2022, and this is our daily market update. Now, we analyzed yesterday that we will be expecting market to give us this particular push to the downside. As we can see, our bottom day push to the downside, and then now we'll be expecting to have a push back to the upside to take away this liquidity and possibly get mitigated by the particular order block. And that is what we'll be looking at for today. So today we'll be looking at seeing this market, because market has actually gone to what we call the because like I told you guys that anytime you see market open, the market have to go to the opposite side of where they will be expecting. So now we'll be expecting to see any push, like a break of market structure this side before we start taking to the upside. Then if you don't get the particular break of market structure to this particular downside, especially on this particular fair value gap, they might likely come and hit this particular level. That means they have to do like this, then do this. So in a lower time frame, expect to see a stop hunt. I repeat, expect to see a stop hunt here before thinking of going to the upside. That is, expect to see something like this. Maybe you go to your 15 minutes chart, you see something like this coming down, break a structure, then come back to take away the low that they have established. Then they'll give you a break of structure again, find the trade to the upside. All right? Find the trade to the upside. This is what we'll actually be expecting today. And in the worst case scenario, they will get to this particular level. So until you see a break of market structure, guy, please don't take this particular trade on to the opposite side until you see a break of market structure on a lower time frame. But I will be looking for to take a trade to the upside. That is what I'll be looking for to see on this particular pair. And also, if you watch, you see that we'll have trend line liquidity. Sorry. From here to this level, now we'll have trend line there. And I would like to see them come back, take out this trend line, then push to the upside. I hope you get what I mean. So this is what I will be expecting to see these guys do today. Okay. So we're keeping our analysis the way it has been since yesterday. So in worst case scenario, we see them give us something like this. No. If they don't reverse here, they will pull back here, definitely. So these are the two levels we're expecting to see this market give us a push to the upside. So if we don't get them here, we get it here. Then push to the upside. Next one again, I will be looking forward to do is I'm going back to my Euro USD. My Euro USD has gotten to the point where I'm expecting them to get to. So from here, I'll be expecting to sell this market to downside. So what I'm expecting to see here is this. You know, there is a block. If you refine this further, there is a block here. So this guy has entered into this fair value gap. So I would like to see something like this to this upside. Then I would like to see them break structure. Then I'll begin to take a trade to downside. Another one. This is GBPUSD. So GBPUSD, I still want to see it push again to the upside on GBPUSD. So I want to see them give us this. You know, they've entered this fair value gap, right? Traded and entered this fair value gap. So I want to see them give us like this to this upside to take away those liquidities that we'll have here. Then from here, I'll be expecting to see a break of structure in the lower time frame, then to come down. That is what I'll be expecting from this particular pair. Then under pair again, we have to look at now is gold. All right. Gold, we anticipated that we want to see gold come down to this level. And that's what we want to see. We want to see them come down to this level before going to the upside. But as you can see, gold has not given out fully what we were also expected. Even while other pairs were making their way towards the upside, to as in playing 100% as was analyzed, gold was still busy gathering contracts here. So what I would like to see gold do this time is I want to see gold take out this area. Let's go to daily so we can have a clear view of what gold is doing. We will have this fair value gap. This is actually where we wanted them to come trade into this level before we go to downside. But as you can see, gold was just busy doing this. So what I will be expecting to see gold do is this. Going back to a lower time frame. Sorry. 3 hours, possibly. Great. So I would still like to see something like this. I have a block here. This has closed below this level. So I would like to see something like this then. To this level. Then boom to this level. So at first, when they come to this level, I was expecting them to pull back before they continue their push to the downside. I repeat, when they come to that level, I'd like to something like this level, down to this level, pull back, switch into an FVG, then come back down. This is what I'll be expecting to see. Now, if there is news, all right, they might go back and wick this up here before they come down. So, but this is where I'll be watching to see them hit. But if there is news, the news can push them to this level. I'm talking about the momentum of the news that will be coming during the New York section. So I'll be expecting them to hit it. Or during the Brinks trade, they might take this thing up to this level. Then that means I'll be looking for to take this market to the downside. All right. Then the next one again I'll be looking at here is AUDUSD. You know, AUDUSD, they will have two buyers on AUDUSD. Like I told you guys yesterday, I said I am actually expecting them to come up here. They maybe wick this down, or they have to come back here first before wicking it down. So as you can see, it is this one, this buyers that they took perfectly. This is what they actually took. So they entered this level, use this particular this one to counter this one. Then from here, they're going to the upside. So what we want to see them do is this: pull back to this particular place, then go back to the upside, take away this thing, then trade into this particular level that we'll have here, which is also a daily, which I think is daily FVG or thereabout. Let's check what is happening there. So I think we should have a daily FVG there. So stock liquidity, daily FVG, good. Market has also entered the FVG. On daily, we also have another FVG here left. The market has not really entered. So we're going back again. So I would like to see this happen. If they can give us this straight up to this level here, before finding a way to come back down, trade into this FVG, pull back to this place and smash down. This is what I'll be expecting to see on this particular AUDUSD, right? Then the next one is USD CAD. USD CAD is performing exactly as we analyze this. As you can see, they pull back here, all right? Then continue moving down here. So I would like to see these guys do this. If you want, there's a fair value gap here. These guys are coming to tap in. And once they come into this fair value gap, I'll be expecting a push to the upside. So what I'll be expecting to see these guys do is I want to see them manipulate to the upside and come back down again, trade into this fair value gap. When they come into this fair value gap, I'll be expecting to see a push to the upside. But then before I take my bias to the upside, what I would like to see them do is when they come here, they'll have to give me a kind of a structural break on a lower time frame, like in 5 minutes or even in 1 minute or 3 minutes, then for me to take my bias to the upside. And as I'll be going to the upside, I will also be mindful of this fair value gap, because when the market get there, I'll be expecting to see them come back and trade into the opposing fair value gap before they go to the upside. So that is what I'll be expecting on this particular pair. So our analysis is playing out 100% of the time. As you can see, guys, this was what we analyzed. You see it here. So we're actually expecting these guys to do what? To pull back, then continue this push to downside. This liquidity level that we have here has been taken out. So we are still expecting this guy to look for a way and come back there, then before they go to the upside. Let's go to daily and see what we'll have in daily here. Do clear FVG here. Do clear FVG weekly. So on 4 hours, we only have fair value gap here on 4 hours. Then on 3 hours, we'll have fair value gap here on 3 hours. Because market has not really entered this one on 3 hours. So we'll be expecting these guys to go to the downside. But then I will be expecting to see something like this. Possibly come here, they will validate this low. Once they validate this low, I'll be expecting to see something like this. A play back into this fair value gap that we'll have here. Then it's smashed down to this level. Okay. When they come down to this level from here, I'll start looking for the up move. So anything from here down, I'll be looking for push to the upside. Let's zoom out. And let's progress. We'll have a break of market structure from this level. So if you take your Fibonacci from here to here, you will see that this zone here is our optimum trade entry level, which is OTEs, that is 70%. All right. So from here, we'll be looking for to go long. So as this market is coming down, entry from here, I'll be looking for to go long on this pair. So next one, we'll have this. Okay, so we had two analyses here. At first, we wanted it to go to the upside because we have fair value gap here. So we were thinking that when they get to this fair value gap, they will still find a way to go to downside and take away this down liquidity. But then, like I said, we'll have two analyses on this place. So two biases. We'll say we're expecting them to go back from here or from here. Why? Because we want to see them take away this liquidity, trade into this fair value gap that we'll have here before coming down, before we have the aggressive move push to downside. And once market opens, especially on Monday, which is a trapping day, so what they do, they go to the opposite side of where their intended direction is. So that's why we'll have them heading towards this particular side. All right. So that is why now we're expecting them now to go to downside. But then before they go to downside, we'll still have other push again to the upside. So this bias here is still 100% valid. Then the next one is this, right? Those will have this particular push to this side, but then we didn't get this push to the downside, all right? So we'll have them going to the upside. Then here, market has also gotten into a fair value gap, but it has not really, it didn't really obey it for now. Just got into fair value gap, right? And here we'll have structural key level. Market is at the structural key level. So anything from there, we'll be expecting a push to downside. So I'll be expecting to see something like this, right? Then I'll start looking for a push to downside. When they come here, possibly they can still go to the upside again, because we'll have something here. So this is what I'll be expecting on this pair. Yeah, for this, we'll have two buyers on this. As you can see, this is the one that's playing out 100%. So this is what we are expecting. So I'll be looking forward to come short, go short from there. USDJPY, like I said, we wanted to see them trade into this level to the upside. So they trade into this level, but they couldn't go to the upside. All right, so they're still here gathering contracts. So for now, we'll see how this bias to this particular upside again. GBPUSD, GU traded into this fair value gap, all right, then to the upside. But it didn't come down to this particular level, so but lead the way to the upside. So anyone that knows how this thing works definitely must have gotten into trade here, right? So we can tell you the pure direction of the market, but we are not the one that will put the trigger for you. There are some other things you need to see before you take your trade, and that is why you need to take our mentorship course. So like I told you yesterday that I was eyeing this particular level. I want it to be removed. As you can see, it was removed. So that was the level I was eyeing yesterday, that this have to remove this level, and it has been removed. So anything from there, I'll be looking to see a pullback, all right? I'll be looking to see a pullback. Let's go to four hard time frame, like 4 hours, like daily, sorry. I have anything there. So zooming in. So this level here is a plug on 4 hours. And it has favorably up. So I'll be expecting to see this happen. Market need to come, take away this high, then come back down. Going to take away this high, then come back down and find a way to trade down. Let me go back to the lower time frame. So what the market need to do right now is simply find a way to trade to the upside to take away this level. So once we have taken out this level, we are good to retrace to the downside. So once we have this, boom, then come back here, trade into this, trade into an FVG, come back, trade into this, trade into an FVG, then come back here before we can start to go to the upside again. This is perfectly what we've expected. So we want to see them take away this particular level. So this is where we join the curtain on today's analysis. Please keep your trades simple. All right. Thank you very much, and do have a perfect trading day.